Welcome to this meditation with Peaceful Wren. Tonight, we're going to gently release the day that has passed and prepare your body and mind for restful sleep. Find a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down. If you're in bed, that's perfectly fine. Close your eyes softly or let your gaze fall gently downward. Take a moment to arrive here with me. Notice how your body feels right now. There's no need to change anything. Just observe. Let's begin with 3 deeper breaths together. Inhale slowly through your nose and exhale completely through your mouth, letting out any tension from the day. Again, breathe in deeply and release with a long, slow exhale. One more time, drawing in fresh, calming energy and breathing out anything you no longer need from today. Beautiful. Now let your breathing return to its natural rhythm. Feel yourself beginning to settle into this peaceful space. Starting at the top of your head, imagine a warm, golden light gently touching your scalp. This light carries with it the power to dissolve tension and worry. Feel it melting away any stress from your forehead, your temples, around your eyes. Let your eyes feel heavy and relaxed. Allow this soothing light to flow down to your jaw. If you've been holding tension here from the day, let it go now. Soften your jaw completely, your tongue, your throat. The golden light moves down into your shoulders now. These shoulders have carried so much today. Breathe in and let them lift slightly. Then exhale and let them drop completely, releasing all the weight they've been holding. Feel the light spreading down your arms, your upper arms becoming loose and heavy, your elbows releasing, your forearms letting go, all the way down to your hands. Let your fingers unfurl naturally as all tension melts away. Now bring your attention to your chest. With each breath, feel your heart space opening and softening. You did your best today, and that is enough. The warm light flows into your upper back, dissolving any tightness between your shoulder blades. Breathe into this area and feel it expanding with relief. Let the light move down your spine, vertebra by vertebra, releasing the day's burdens. Your lower back can finally rest now. Soften completely in this area. Feel the golden warmth spreading through your abdomen. This is your center, your place of calm. Breathe into your belly and feel it rise and fall naturally, peacefully. Allow this soothing energy to flow into your hips now. Let them sink down with gravity. There's nothing you need to hold on to from today. The light travels down your thighs. Feel them becoming heavy and relaxed against whatever is supporting them. Down through your knees, releasing into your calves. If you've been on your feet today, feel grateful for how they've served you. And now, let them rest completely, all the way down to your feet and toes. Feel them soft and still. Take a moment to notice your whole body now, relaxed, peaceful, and ready to let go of this day. As you rest here, imagine that with each exhale, you're releasing something from today that no longer serves you. Perhaps a worry, a difficult conversation, a moment of stress. With each out-breath, feel these things dissolving away into the night air. And with each in-breath, you're drawing in fresh peace and calm for tomorrow. Continue breathing this way for a few moments, releasing and renewing, letting go and receiving. You are safe. You are peaceful. You have done enough today. Now, if you're planning to sleep, you can simply allow yourself to drift off naturally. Your body knows how to rest and restore itself through the night. If you need to return to your evening, take 3 gentle breaths with me. 1. feeling peaceful and calm. 2. Bringing this sense of ease with you. 3. When you're ready, softly open your eyes or return to your evening activities. Thank you for taking this time to care for yourself tonight. Sleep well or enjoy the rest of your peaceful evening.